Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the yachts and sailing vessels on your map on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the filter icon at the left side of the screen. Tap to the filter icon under the stars, and in the vessel type section you can find the fifth option, the yachts slash sailing vessels, and just tap to the white car icon. And new the yachts and sailing vessels is displayed on your map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.